You've been listening to the track Abandoned Railroad Crossing by Vibrating Wires. It was composed and produced by me, Mark Rushton, and is available at Pond 5 for stock music licensing. It's also available for sync licensing possibilities. Links on how to get a hold of me are in the description. It's lap steel processed to sound like an abandoned railroad crossing. Mutant ambient country, an avant-garde nighttime soundscape inspired by the rural Midwest. Abandoned Railroad Crossing is 1 minute and 21 seconds in length and is on every major streaming service worldwide. I composed all of it. With one stop, I control 100% of the publishing and 100% of the master recording worldwide. If you're a music supervisor or creative looking to license my work, I can easily upload it and share it to you on my Disco account. My website is markrushton.com. Contact information is there, including email, voicemail, and physical address. Thanks for listening. I'll have another podcast soon.